So, Vinod, what do you think of the hair transplant?
It's been fantastic overall. My confidence is back. No one can ever tell that I got one done.
This is Vinod. He's 27 years old and had a hair transplant 1 year ago for what was a Norwood 3 pattern, that was hair loss in the front of the scalp, and this side as well as this side. And we can see from the photographs that this is what was a hair loss. So it's a Norwood 3 pattern. So this is 1 year later, and you can see he has had excellent results. You can see, so we'll show you. This is the left side. You can see very good regrowth. The hairline is high density and very natural, and you really can't tell that you had a hair transplant. We filled in the middle as well, and again the hairline is natural, high density. If you turn to your right, and here too. And if you look down, please. And you can see here quite obviously this is a transplanted hair, and this merges in very nicely with his natural hair. There's a slight difference in caliber or thickness of the hair. The transplanted hair is slightly more coarse and thicker, and that's just a factor of the fact that it came from the donor area in the back, but really merges extremely well, and if you didn't know, you could not tell the difference. And if you turn around, please. And since it was a follicular unit excision, the hair regrowth is uniform, high density, and excellent. And obviously there's enough here for 2 or 3 more FUEs in the future if need be. Obviously no need at the moment. Turn around, sir. So just going to ask you a few questions. So Vinod, what do you think of the hair transplant?
It's been fantastic overall. My confidence is back. No one can ever tell that I've got one done. Every time the wind is blowing, I love it now. And
so you're happy you did it, right?
I'm very happy I did it. I should have done it sooner, but time always has its own agenda.
And what would you advise to somebody who's maybe thinking of a hair transplant?
Come and have a consultation with Dr. Gupta and then just do it. You're going to thank yourself later. That's all I have to say.